Today I'm going to talk about of the most disturbing and complex villains in the Batman universe, Scarecrow, also known as Jonathan Crane. Scarecrow is an intelligent and obsessive character, especially when it comes to fear. He is manipulative and cunning, always looking for exploiting people's psychological weakness. He is also sadist and cruel, enjoying the terror and suffering he causes. His appearance is terrifying and his behavior is unpredictable, which makes him very more dangerous. He has twice and dark mind with a completely distorted sense of morality. He is also ambitious and experimental, always trying new ways to improve his weird thought scenes. Finally, Scarecrow is an intimidating figure who usually works alone, as he is quite reclusive.
The water helps me. Rain hates trees, thunder shakes hearts, and fog covers everything. Fear works best when nature joins me.
Thank you, Scarecrow. This has been a chilling, fascinating interview.
For your perspective, do you think society truly understands fear?
No, it doesn't. That's why I treated them in my own way.
Just to be clear, do you consider yourself like a villain?
No, I don't. I'm visionary, misquote, perhaps.
And finally, do you still use your real name, like Jonathan Crane?
Sometimes I do, but the world knows me as Scarecrow.
Well, thank you for your time, Scarecrow.
Friendship, thanks, only respect.
Good evening, Scarecrow. Thanks you for joining us today. Gotham is famous for its foggy and rainy weather, especially during the cold seasons. Tell me, which seasons do you think fits your fear experiments best? The dark autumn or the freezing winter?
Definitely autumn. It is clear the leaves fall and people feel music. It's when fear grows stronger, and I love that atmosphere.
I can imagine. Now looking at you, your outfit is quite unique. Can you describe what you're wearing today and why you choose it?
I wear my classic brown burlap mask and long tan cap. The perfect smell of dust and chemicals reminds people of the pumps. The kite and fear clothes can scare people before I even speak.
That's intense. Talking about colors, which one do you feel represents your personality and your vision of fear the most?
Brown and black. Brown is the color of the ground, the past, the dead fields. Black is the color of the mind when terror takes over.
Interesting. If you could invite one member of your family to see your work, what would it be and why?
My mother, she is from the fear in my when I was young. I show her hope and turn that flame into power.
Last question. Scarecrow. How does the water, rain, thunder, or fog